This goes out to the unsung Kiwi heroes, who never let the size of their companies define them, but rather the size of their dreams, drive, and never say die attitudes. To the men and women who started something from nothing and made it mean everything to their families. To the ones who are up at dawn, come rain or shine, to bring us the food we love. To those who know our name, our favourite herbs, and even save the best batch for us. To those who show up at our door on a cold night with nothing but a tool bag and a warm g'day to turn on our hot water again. To the dedicated who go the extra mile to make sure our kid's gift arrives on time. To those who treat us like family and give us the advice that help us sleep better at night. And the neighbours who show us New Zealand's best kept secrets and remind us how beautiful life is. To the ones who make our lives better